In today's video, I'll show you how to install a trainer in GTA 5 so you can access cheats like infinite health, no wonder level. Check my video description for this site link. Scroll down. Under standalone versions, select the latest one. Once you selected this link, it will start downloading. Once it download done, right click and select WinRAR and select extract to. Open the extracted folder, double click on this application and select yes option. Launch the game. Once you are in game, press Alt Tab. In Trainer, turn on the option you like to use. Infinite ammo, no reload, no wanted level. Once you turn on the things, go back to the game. To test this out, I'm gonna shoot. You can see no ammo, so reduced. No wanted level. And now you can enjoy the game, guys. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.